What is a debenture? Or what is the difference between share and a debenture? Share or share capital is part of owner's money. Share capital is part of which money? Owner's money. Or you can call it as owner's capital. Or you can call it as members' capital. For example, you want to start a company with 100 crores capital. This 100 crores will be divided into some shares, like 1 crore shares of rupees 100 each, like that. So this 100 crores is called as share capital. 1 crores are called as what? Share in the share capital, right? So share capital is part of which money? Members' money, owners' money, they take risk. Any profit or loss, any surplus made by them goes to the members. Any surplus made by them goes to the members. What about debenture? Debenture is part of borrowed money. Debenture is part of which one? Borrowed capital. For example, same thing, we want 100 crores of loan. We want 100 crores of loan. Can one person lend 100 crores of money? No, we want to convert into 1 crore debentures of 100 each. 1 crore debentures of how much? 100 each and borrow money. That is called as what? Debenture. In case of shares, okay, the total capital contributed by the members is calculated into units of some value. Like the capital is 100 crores. I divided into 1 crore shares of how much? 100 each and raise money from public. Debenture is a borrowed capital where, let us assume you want to borrow 100 crores, whether one bank will lend you 100 crores or one person will lend you 100 crores? No. So 1 crore debentures we want to split and issue. That is called as what? Borrowed capital. That is called as which capital? Borrowed capital. For shareholders, dividend is paid. Dividend is paid. For debenture, interest is paid. Dividend is an appropriation of profit. Otherwise, it is payable only when there is a profit. It is payable out of which one? Profit only. If the company has reserves or profit only, you will pay which one? Dividend. Okay, but interest is a charge against profit. Interest is a charge against profit. What do you mean by charge against profit? It is payable irrespective of profit or loss. You must pay the interest. Can you say that, sir, this year the company is in loss? I cannot pay interest. Can you say that? No. Interest is a charge against profit. It is compulsory to pay. But dividend is payable only when the company has what? Profits or reserves. Past reserves which dividend pay panna, but interest must be paid whether there is a profit or which one? Loss. Who will have voting rights? But debenture holders do not have voting right. Shareholders have voting right, but debenture holders do not have voting right because they are just what? Lenders of the company. They do not have what? Voting rights. Can shares be issued at discount? Can you issue shares at discount? No. Shares cannot be issued at discounts. But debentures can be issued at discount. can issue the debentures less than the face value, but you cannot issue the shares less than the face value. So if you hold a debenture, you will get which one? Fixed interest. Fixed interest, whether there is a profit or loss. If you are holding a share, only when there is a profit, then the dividend is payable. Shareholders have the voting right. They can become board of directors, attend the meetings and vote. But debenture holders do not have what? Any voting right. Shares cannot be issued at what? A discount. But debentures shall be issued at discount. Simple. I take a loan from you, that is called as loan. The same loan is taken by a company by splitting into units from the public, that is called as which one? Debenture. For example, let us assume you are giving me a loan of 100 crores for my business, that is called as loan. If I am a company, if I issue debenture, a document called as what? Debenture, and get money from you, that is called as what? Debenture. Debenture is nothing but a loan or a borrowed money. It's nothing but which money? Loan money or which money? Borrowed money. Can you forfeit shares? Can you cancel shares? Yes. But can you cancel debentures? No. You can cancel the shares, but not which one? Debentures. For example, we are going to collect application money, allotment money, first call money, like that. If a shareholder is not paying the money, what you can do? You can cancel, you can forfeit the shares. Can you cancel the debentures? You cannot cancel the debentures for non-payment of money. You cannot cancel the debentures for which one? Non-payment of money. Are they getting? Type of debentures. Are they getting? Types of debentures. You are not going to take up the notes. It is there in your material also. Types of debentures are classified based on which one? Security. Security means, are they secured or unsecured? What do you mean by secured or unsecured? What do you mean by secured? What do you mean by unsecured? Let's assume you have given me a loan of 10 lakhs by taking the gold from me. Is it secured or unsecured? Why? If I don't pay the loan, what you can do? You can sell the gold and take the money. You can sell the gold and what? Take the money. That is called as what? A secured loan. You have just given a loan of 10 lakhs without taking any security. That is called as which one? Unsecured loan. Like that. Debentures also can be with what? Security on some assets, or it can be without security also. Debentures can be secured or which one? Unsecured. Debentures can be converted into equity shares. For example, we issue debentures now. After 5 years, we will give option. We will give option. Number one, you convert your debenture into equity shares. That is called as which one? Debenture. Convertible debenture. What do you mean by convertible debenture? After 5 years or 10 years, after the term is over, okay, money will not be repaid in cash. You will become what? Shareholders. Converted into what? Shares. Non-convertible debenture means, if it is a non-convertible debenture, what will happen? Money will be repaid in cash. Money will be repaid in cash. Convertible debenture, now you can convert, okay, or you can get it in cash also. For example, a company borrowed loan, that is called as debenture from all of you. The company gives an option to convert into equity share after 5 years. After 5 years, what you can do? Number one, you can become which one? Equity shareholder by converting. Or if you do not want, what you can do? You can get back in cash. They are called as convertible debenture. What is a non-convertible debenture? The money will be repaid in what? Cash. What is the next one? Permanence means how long? How long debenture will be there? Redeemable debenture means a debenture will be repaid after 5 years, 10 years, like that. Debenture will be repaid after 5 years or 10 years, like that. Irredeemable means debenture will not be repaid at all. When they will get the money? Only when the company is wind up. 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, 500 years. As long as the company is there, money will not be paid. Only interest you will get every year. You will get only what? Interest every year. You will get money when? When will you get money? When the company is closed. So redeemable means repayable at the end of 5 years, 10 years and the money. Irredeemable means cannot be redeemed. Cannot be redeemed. What is the next one? Negotiable means transferable. Transferable. Number one is what? Registered debenture means, for example, she is holding a debenture registered in her name. She wants to transfer the debenture to her. What she has to do? There is a process. Clear? There should be a document for buying and selling. that should be informed to the company. Her name will be removed, her name will be included. This is called as which one? Registered debenture. Registered debenture transfer panna, you require a formality to be done. What is the next one? Bearer debenture, like a currency note. Whoever is holding the debenture becomes owner of the debenture. Whoever is holding the debenture becomes which one? Owner of the debenture. Which one is risky? Bearer debenture is risky because fake debentures may come. You cannot verify whether it is original or not. Very difficult to verify. But registered debentures are what? Very viable with the company. Okay, records will be available. Debenture holders list will be available with the company, but bearer debenture will not be available. So bearer debentures practically they are not issued. Practically they are not issued. What is the next one? Priority. Okay, pay attention. I borrowed loan on my land. I borrowed loan on my land for about 1 crore. What is the loan amount? 1 crore. Again on the same land, I borrowed for about 50 lakhs. Again on the same land, I borrowed for about 20 lakhs. Now, when I am not able to repay the loan, when the land is sold, who will get the money first? Yarukku first paisa pay பண்ணுவாங்க? 3 people lent money on the same land. 1 crore, 50 lakhs, 20 lakhs in the money. I am not able to pay the money. Land is sold, then court is paying money. To whom the money will be paid first? First mortgage. First mortgage. Yaru first loan கொடுத்திருக்க? 1 crore. That 1 crore loan will be paid. Then second mortgage. Then third mortgage, like that. So first mortgage debentures are those where the debentures are issued based on group of assets. Group of assets first. Second mortgage debentures are those same group of assets are used and debentures are issued, money is collected. So when the company is closed or if there is a trouble, first you will settle which debentures? First mortgage debentures, then which will be settled? Second mortgage debenture will be settled. Otherwise, first mortgage debentures are having the first priority in getting the money. They are having what? First priority in getting the money. Second mortgage debentures will have what? Second priority in getting the money. So this is like depending upon different features we work out. Based on security, how it is classified? Secured and unsecured. Based on convertibility, convertibility equity shares. Non-convertible means repaid in cash. Permanent means repayable at the end of a particular period. Irredeemable means will be repaid only at the time of what? Winding up of the company. Negotiable means registered transfers require a transfer to be done. A formality to be done for transfer. Bearer debenture, whoever is holding the debenture like a currency note, they become what? Owner of the debenture. Priority. First mortgage debentures are repaid first. Then second mortgage debentures are paid. After the money is paid to whom? First mortgage debentures. This is about different types of debentures. Are they getting? Accounting for issue of debentures. Accounting for issue of debentures. Below that, when the amount is collected, at once. At once means there is no application allotment, first call, final call and all. We will collect the money at once. We will collect the money single payment. That is called as what? When the amount is collected at once. Listen to it. Can debentures be issued at face value? Yes. Less than face value discount? Debentures can be issued. Yes. Can the debentures can be issued for more than face value? Yes. Listen to it, then you can copy. Completely listen to it. Debentures issued at par. Par means face value and redeemable at par. Par means we will collect 1 lakh, repay 1 lakh after 5 years. Of course, every year you will get interest. Every year you will get interest. How much you pay now? 1 lakh. After 5 years, how much you will be paid back? 1 lakh. Every year you will be getting interest. What is the entry we will pass for this? Simple. We collect money here. What is the entry? Bank account data to debentures account. Bank account data to debentures account. Second case, issued at par. Issued at, okay, maybe discount vechikalam. Issued at discount. It is like you pay 90,000 now. You pay how much? 90,000 now. After 5 years, you get back the face value 1 lakh. What is the entry will pass? Bank account data We are issuing at a discount or premium here. Discount. Discount is a loss or gain? Loss. Discount on issue of debentures account data to debentures account. To which account? Debentures account. This is issued at discount, redeemable at what? Par. Can debentures be issued at premium? Can debentures be issued at premium? Yes, it can be issued at what? Premium also. What is entry you will pass when you issue debentures at a premium? Bank account data to debentures account to securities premium. Clear? So simple. Pay attention. When debentures are issued at par, what is entry? Bank account data to debentures account. When it is issued at discount, debit the loss. When it is issued at premium, credit the premium. That's all. Pay it. Now, this is the most important case for examination. Debentures can be issued at face value, issued at par, and redeemable at premium. What do you mean by this? You pay 1 lakh today. You pay how much? 1 lakh today. That is which value? Face value. After 5 years, you get 1 lakh 10,000. After 5 years, you get 1 lakh 10,000. What is the journal entry for issue? Bank account data to which account? Debentures account. But we are going to repay at a premium. The premium promised is a liability for us. For example, how much you are paying today? 1 lakh. Don't copy this. There is a reason for it. Please do not copy. Bank account data to debentures. Today you are paying how much? 1 lakh. After 5 years, am I going to repay 1 lakh or more than that? More than that. That extra amount promised is a liability for us. Premium on redemption account. Let's assume I promised 10,000. I promised how much? 10,000. Wait பண்ணுங்க. This premium on redemption promised, is it a gain for the company or loss for the company? Extra premium promise பண்றோம் இல்லையா? Is it a gain or loss for the company? Loss for the company. It will be debited to loss on issue of debentures account data. How much loss on issue? 10,000. And please remember, always premium on redemption is equal to which one? Loss on issue. Otherwise, what is a base entry for issuing debenture? Bank account data to debenture, 1 lakh. The premium promised is a loss for us that we will debit to which account? Loss on issue of debentures account. This will be written off in P&L account. This will be written off in which account? P&L. Next, can debentures be issued at discount and redeemable at premium? For example, pay பண்ணும்போது 95,000 pay பண்ணுங்க. Pay பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளவு pay பண்றீங்க? 95,000. 1 lakh debenture value. 1 lakh debenture value. 5,000 discount. You pay only how much? 95,000. For an example, I am telling you. Can I promise a premium on redemption for this? Can the company promise a premium on redemption? While get back 10,000 extra? Yes. There also, it will be 2 premium on redemption. That will be equal to which one? Loss on issue of debentures. Now there are 2 losses here. What are the 2 losses? Discount on issue is a loss at the time of issue. Premium promised is a loss. So what is the total loss? Otherwise, how much we are collecting? 95,000. How much you will repay totally? 1,10,000 you will be repaying. So what is the total loss? 95,000 da collect pandrom. 1,10,000 we are going to repay. What is the total loss? 15,000 total loss. Yes, discount on issue, loss on issue, 15,000. Then, can debentures be issued at premium and redeemable at premium? Yes, possible. This is 5th case. This question is repeatedly tested in the exam for about 6 marks in the exam. 6 entries, 6 marks in the month. What is the entry for issued at premium? Bank account data to debentures to which account? Securities premium. Here, if you promise a premium, what will you do? If you promise a premium here, what will you do? This loss on issue of debentures account data will come. That will be equal to which one? Premium on. That will be equal to premium on redemption. Always remember, loss on issue will be equal to which one? Premium on redemption. Now, I do not want you to waste time in copying the entry and solving a problem. Okay, I'll give a problem. It's like a concept question. Along with the solution, you can take up. Take up the first line first. A Limited issued 12% debentures of rupees 5 lakhs. A Limited issued 12% debentures of rupees 5 lakhs. Past journal entry in the following cases. Past journal entry in the following cases. First case, listen to it. Issued at par, redeemable at par. In entry pass பண்ணுவீங்க. Bank account data எவ்வளவு percent debentures? 12% is nothing but interest. Bank account data to 12% debentures how much? 5 lakhs. Then, if it is issued at a discount of, let us assume 5%. If it is issued at a discount of 5%, what is the entry we'll pass? What is the entry will pass? To debentures 5 lakhs. To debentures will be 5 lakhs. Discount on issue will be 5% in our 25,000. Bank account, how much we will collect? 4 lakh 75,000. Let's assume it is issued at a premium of, number example, 20%. What is the entry will pass? To debentures will be 5 lakhs. To securities premium will be 20% in our 1 lakh. Totally how much? 6 lakhs. Okay. Next, let's assume it is issued at par and redeemable at a premium of 10%. Redeemable at a premium of 10%. Pen entry pass for bank account data to debentures 5 lakhs. The face value. Premium on redemption is eவ்வளவு percentage? 10%. Now eவ்வளவு 50,000 will come. That is equal to what? Loss on issue. Always premium on redemption is equal to loss on issue. Let's assume it is issued at a discount of 5%. It is issued at a discount of 5%, redeemable at a premium of 10%. Pen entry pass. What is entry will pass? Bank account data, discount on issue of debentures account data, 4,75,000 and 25,000. This will be how much? 5 lakhs. Premium on redemption will be always equal to which one? Loss on issue. Clear? Always the premium on redemption will be always equal to what? Loss on issue. Let's assume it is issued at 5% premium and redeemable at, let us assume 10% premium. Redeemable at 10% premium. In entry pass. What is entry will pass? To debentures account how much? 5 lakhs. It is issued at how much percentage premium? 5% premium will issue பண்ணிருக்கு. 25,000. What is the total amount you will collect? 5,25,000 you will collect. So the premium on redemption, what is the premium on redemption? 50,000. That is equal to loss. Always premium on redemption is equal to what? Loss on issue of debentures. Take up this. This can be tested ranging from 3 marks to 6 marks. If it is a 6 marks question, they can give you a statement like this. A Limited issued 12% debentures of 5 lakhs. Pass journal entry in the following cases. Number 1, issued at par, redeemable at par. Issued at discount, redeemable at par. Issued at premium, redeemable at par. They will give you in the question. Always keep it in mind, loss on issue is equal to what? Premium on redemption. Sir, whether you have to put application account, allotment account, if they give you split up, then you can put, otherwise direct entry you can pass. Bank account data to debenture application account. Debenture application account data to debenture account and the money. Same like share capital issue. We put, bank account data to share application account, then share application to share capital, and the money could entry pass. But if the money is collected at once, then you can pass a single entry, like bank to debentures. The first entry, alternative entry can be bank account data to debenture application account, debenture application to debentures account. Anyhow, debenture application will be closed. Always premium on redemption and loss on issue will be the same. And you can check in all the cases, debenture is credited at what value? Face value. Let it be issued at par value or discount or more than face value. Always debenture is recorded at what value? Face value. Premium issue panna, it will go to securities premium. If it is issued at a discount, it goes to what? Discount on issue account. Shall we? We'll go to your textbook questions. You can look at, just look at the display, that is sufficient. Look at the 6 cases that we learned. Debentures are issued at par, redeemable at par or what? Discount. Issued at discount, redeemable at par or discount. Then debentures issued at premium, redeemable at par or what? Discount. Then debentures issued at par, redeemable at a premium. Debentures issued at a discount, redeemable at what? Premium we had seen. Debentures issued at premium, redeemable at premium. These are the 6 cases we have done, the 6 entries. Now, what can be added is, instead of passing a single direct entry, what they would have given is bank account data to debenture application account. Then debenture application account data to debentures account. Same like share capital. What is the entry we pass when shares are issued? Bank account data to share application account. Then share application to share capital, like that. One extra entry they would have passed. Anyhow, that application account is debited and credited, and that is closed. That is closed. We'll see. Journal entry for each of the cases. Debentures issued at par, redeemable at par. What is the entry we'll pass? Bank account data to debenture application account. Then debenture application to debenture account. See, instead of crediting application and debiting application, directly I passed entry. What is the entry I passed? Bank account data to which account? Debentures account. Look at illustration number 1. Amount limited issued rupees 40 lakhs, 9% debentures of 50 each, payable on application, redeemable at any time after how many years? 3 years. Record journal entry. They would have passed bank account data to debenture application, then debenture application account data to what? Debentures. You can pass a direct entry also. Bank account data to which account? Debentures account how much? 20 lakhs, like that you can pass in. Then, when debentures are issued at discount, what is the entry we passed? I mean, entry passed for compare. Bank account data, discount and issue account data to which account? Debentures account to textbook, they would have just added bank account data to which account? Debenture application. That is used, then discount and issue of debentures to which account? Debentures account, like that they would have passed. Clear? Okay, one extra thing they would have credited and debited. You can pass a direct entry also, there is nothing wrong in it. Look at this. Atul Limited issued 1 crore 8% debentures of 100 each at a discount of how much? 10%. Redeemable at par after 10 years. How much is receivable on application? 30 on application, 60 on what? Allotment. What is the first entry we'll pass? Bank account data to in the method to debenture application. 1 crore into 30. 1 crore into 30. You would have passed bank account data to debenture application account 1 crore into 30. Debenture application account data to debentures account 1 crore into 30. Then same like share allotment account data to share capital. Debenture allotment account data 60 lakhs. Discount on issue percentage 10% na the 10 lakhs or 1 crore will come to debentures account, then we collect the money. Bank account data to which account? Debenture allotment account, like that. Next part. Debentures issued at a premium, redeemable at what? Par. What is entry for collecting application money? Bank account data to which account? Debenture application account. Now, debenture application to debentures to securities premium. We would have passed a direct entry. What is entry we would have passed? Bank account data to debentures to what? Securities premium. This is what? Bank account data to debentures to which account? Securities premium, like that they would have passed, but they bring in application account, that's all. Like this, about 3 or 4 illustrations are given, you can go through. Okay. For each one, they have given a separate illustration. A separate illustration is given. Please go through. Debentures can be issued at premium also. It will be transferred to which account? Securities premium account. When the money is received, bank account data to debenture application, then excess money refund banla. Debenture application account data to debentures account and which account? Securities premium account. We would have passed a direct entry. Bank account data to debentures to which account? Securities premium account, like that we would have issued. And debentures can be issued at discount also. We would have passed entry. Bank account data, discount account data to which account? Debentures account. Now 6 or 7 illustrations would have been given. You can go through that. Next. Are they getting? This is about issue of debentures for cash. Issue of debentures for which one? Cash. You must go through ICAI material for the same. Next. Are they getting? Debentures issued as a collateral security. Debenture issued as a collateral security. Debentures are issued as which one? Collateral security. What do you mean by collateral security? Pay attention. I borrow loan from her. I borrow loan from her. What is entry I'll pass? Bank account data to which account? Loan from so and so account, like that I will record. Let us see, I borrowed 5 crore from her. I borrowed 5 crore from her. And I promise that I will pay an interest. I will pay an interest at the rate of 10% per annum. I will pay every year an interest of how much? 10%. Which means first year end how much I have to pay interest? 5 crore into 10%, how much I should pay her as interest? 50 lakhs. 5 crore like 10% whatever. 50 lakhs I should pay her interest. Now the problem is she is having a doubt. Will I pay the interest? Will I pay the interest? Because it's a company, it is not an individual. Company having a limited liability, you know. She is having a doubt in collecting which one? Interest. Whether the company will pay interest, like that, she is having a doubt. So what she asks for is, you give me a debenture worth 6 crores. You give me a debenture worth how much? 6 crores as a security. As a security. What do you mean by as a security? For example, I didn't pay her a loan. I didn't pay her a loan. 2 years I did not pay her interest. First year interest 50 lakhs, second year interest how much? 50 lakhs, what is the total? 1 crore. Interest 1 crore, loan amount how much? 5 crore. After 2 years I did not repay her. I did not repay her. What she can do? Simple. She will take the debentures to the court and ask for 6 crores. Ask for how much? 6 crores. See, I have given a loan as a collateral security. The company has issued 6 crores of debenture. Then you pay 6 crores now. You pay 6 crores or like that. You can go for it. Suppose if debentures are issued for 4 years, she may ask a debenture 7 crore as a collateral security. 7 crore as which one? Collateral security. And please remember, interest will be paid for the debenture or interest will be paid for the loan. When debentures are issued as a collateral security, and please remember, interest is paid for and which one? On the loan. On the loan. This debenture will not get any interest. The debenture will not get any what? Interest. So what is the journal entry we will pass for this? Loan வாங்குறதுக்கு bank account data to loan account. Okay. Interest pay பண்ணா interest account data to bank account. Now interest is paid for the loan only. We are giving debentures worth 7 crore as which one? Security. Now what is the entry we have to pass? There is a concept over here. Debentures issued as which one? Collateral security. Simple. Are you getting money for this debenture? The 7 crore, are you getting money? No. Are you going to pay this 7 crore? Are you going to pay this 7 crore? No. We will pass a dummy entry. Debenture suspense account debtor. Debenture suspense account debtor to debentures account. What is the use of the entry? No use of the entry. Because of this, no cash will come, no cash will go out. Okay. Just to show that some debentures are issued as which one? Collateral security, this entry is passed. Okay. You can look at this. Debenture suspense account data to which account? Debentures account like that. We will be passing a journal entry. Wait பண்ணுங்க. In the entry nala whether assets will increase, no whether liabilities will increase, no it is a dummy entry. It will be just disclosed. It will just disclosed. It will be just disclosed. For example, debenture suspense account data to debentures account like that we pass an entry. That's all. Next, take up this. A Limited borrowed rupees 5 crore from ICICI and gave debentures worth 7 crore as collateral security and gave debentures worth how much? 7 crore as collateral security. For the loan, this is entry. When interest is paid, what is the entry will pass? Interest account data to bank account to pass. Maybe 50 lakhs we will pass. Each year we have to pay 50 lakhs. This is a loan from ICICI. For issuing debentures, what is the entry we will pass? Debentures suspense account data to debentures account how much? 7 crores. This interest entry will come at the end of the year. This is for issuing debentures as a collateral security. And please remember, the person will get interest for debenture or interest for the loan given. Interest for the loan given. For this debenture, no interest will be paid. Next, we'll see how to write off the loss on debentures. Are you getting? Writing off. Let me to go with the problem so that you will understand better. Take up. A Limited issued 5,000 18% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable after 5 years. After how many years? 5 years at a premium of 20%. At a premium of 20%. A Limited issued 5,000 18% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable after 5 years at a premium of what? 20%. What is the journal entry we'll pass? ICI book methodல போன bank account data or to debenture application account. எவ்வளவு debentures? 5,000 debentures. How much you will collect application money? 100 each at a discount of 10%. How much you will collect? 90 rupees you will collect. There is a discount on issue. How much discount on issue? 10% எவ்வளவு வரும்? 50,000 to debentures. To debentures account will be how much? 5 lakhs. We promised a premium on redemption also. What is the premium on redemption promised? 20% எவ்வளவு வரும்? 1 lakh. That will be equal to loss on issue. Always premium on issue will be equal to what? Loss on premium on redemption will be equal to loss on issue. Instead of that, you can pass the direct entry also. In entry pass panna. Bank account data 4,50,000 to what? Number entry kuda pass panna. Do you understand how do we collect 90? 100 rupees face value issued at a discount of 10, 90 rupees we will collect. So 4,50,000 discount on issue 50,000, loss on issue 1 lakh. Always loss on issue is equal to which one? Premium on redemption. So what is the total loss? Simple, discount plus on the premium on redemption. What is the total loss? How to write off the loss? How to write off the loss? Simple. The debentures are issued for how many years? Debentures are issued for 5 years. Simple. This 1,50,000 will be written off over how many years time? 5 years time. 1,50,000 will be written off based on how many years time? 5 years time in our rupees 30,000 per annum. A question can be asked like this also. Clear past journal entry and how to write off the loss. Like that they can ask a question. ரொம்ப simple. What is the total loss on issue of debentures? 1,50,000. What is the benefit period of debenture? How many years you are using this money? 5 years. Write off over 5 years. Write off over 5 years. Otherwise, this 1,50,000 is not an expense for 1 year. It is an expense for how many years? 5 years. Write off that loss based on 5 years tenure. What is the total amount repayable? Debentures plus premium. What is the total amount repayable? 6 lakhs. Shall we? Same question. I am just making a change. If debentures are redeemed after 4 years at once, the same question, like debentures are redeemed after 4 years at once, end up on same 1,50,000 divided by eவ்வளவு years for 4 years. How much it will come? 1,50,000 divided by 4 years for 37,500 per annum. Take up. If debentures are redeemed at once after 4 years, 1,50,000 divided by 4 years, how much it will be? 37,500 per annum. You would have written up 37,500 per annum. Any doubt in the journal entry? Any doubt in writing of the amount? If the life is 5 years, write off that expense based on 5 years. If the life is 4 years, write off the expense based on how many years life? 4 years life. Shall I proceed? Pay attention. I'm just altering the word. If debentures are redeemed in 4 years at 4 equal installments. What is the difference between the first case and second case? After 4 years, we are going to redeem at once. What do you mean by redeem at once? How much you have to repay? How much you have to repay? 6 lakhs. After 4 years, 6 lakhs will be repaid. After 4 years, how much will be repaid? 6 lakhs will be repaid. Second case, it will be redeemed in how many installments? 4 equal installments now. For example, 6 lakhs divided by 4. 6 lakhs divided by 4, how much it will be? 1,50,000. So, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. First year, debentures outstanding 5 lakh plus 1 lakh, 6 lakhs. Second year, the 6 lakhs repay பண்ணிருப்போம் minus 1,50,000 repay பண்ணிருப்போம் balance 4,50,000 ஆயிருக்கு. First year endல 1,50,000 repay பண்ணிருப்போம் balance will be 4,50,000. Next year 3 lakhs. Last yearல 1,50,000 இருக்கும், that would have been repaid. But whereas first case what is the debentures outstanding? What is the debentures outstanding? 5 lakh plus 1 lakh. What is the total amount? 6 lakhs outstanding for first year, second year, third year, fourth year. That's why equal amount is written off. Equal amount is written off. But look at the debentures outstanding here. First year 6 lakhs. First year endla 1,50,000 repaid. Second year 4,50,000. Adla 1,50,000 repaid. Like that it is outstanding. What is the ratio of amount outstanding? Ratio of amount outstanding for the 4:3:2:1. In this ratio, the amount will be written off. What is the total loss? This 1,50,000 will be written off in this ratio. 1,50,000 will be written off in this ratio. Simple. 1,50,000 into 1,50,000 into 4 by 10. They marry 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10, like that you will write off. This is what is amount to be written off. In P&L account. Once again, I repeat, pay attention. I request you to pay attention, then you can take it up. First case, another debentures are redeemed after. So first year 6 lakhs outstanding debenture. Second year, third year, fourth year, very full 6 lakhs. Fourth year, we will pay the entire 6 lakhs. We will pay the entire 6 lakhs. So 1,50,000 divided by 4 years. How much you will write off? 37,500 every year. You will write off in which account? Profit and loss. This you will be charging it in P&L account. Next case, paranga. Debentures are redeemed in how many years? 4 years. Ever installments? 4 installment. 6 lakhs divided by 4. Each year, how much you have to pay? 1,50,000. So first year debentures 6 lakhs. 1,50,000 repay pannidu. Second year, 4,50,000. 1,50,000 repaid. How much? 3 lakhs. And that 1,50,000 repaid. Last year, 1,50,000. At the end of last year, it will become 0. What is the ratio of money outstanding? 4:3:2:1. In that ratio, the amount loss will be written out. The loss will be written out. Take up this. So in the exam with respect to debentures, what kind of question they can ask you? Number one, asking you to pass a journal entry like this. And along with the question, they can ask you how loss will be written off. How loss will be written off. Weightage of the chapter is maximum 4 marks in the exam. Maximum 4 marks in the exam. Have we copied this? Over. Over. Shall we? So you can find discount on debentures 6 lakhs. 5 years now, each year you will write off 1 by 5, right? 1 by 5, 6 lakhs divided by 5, how much it will be? 1,20,000 like that. Suppose if debentures are redeemed in 5 equal installments, in a ratio for 4 years, 4:3:2:1. They 5 years then 5:4:3:2:1 ratio, they would have written off. They would have written off the debentures. Okay. Debenture interest already we know. Debenture interest account data or to bank account like that, we will pass a journal entry. So this is what is important in your debentures. So please go through your ICA material also for this debenture.